You are welcome to this lecture, and I'm still talking about the relevance of reviews and how you can get reviews and how you can leverage on the reviews you are able to get for your free books. Now, what I do after I get reviews, from 5 and above reviews for my book on Amazon, for my free book on Amazon, I take a step forward to ask Amazon to change the price of the book from free. Now I change it into a paid book. I always start, for example, with 0.99. You need to refer back to the pricing strategy. I always start from 0.99, then I increase it to 1.99. I increase it then to 2.99. Now, because I have reviews already, readers will be able to have confidence in purchasing my books because others have read it and they've enjoyed it. So how do you now change your book back to a paid book? You just follow the same process I showed you earlier on about asking Amazon to turn your book into a free book. You need to just enter your dashboard, log into your dashboard and click contact us. Now you need to refer back to that video, to that video lecture. So you need to contact Amazon and let them know that you want your books to become a paid book. Now you should remember, before Amazon was able to turn your book into a free book, Amazon required you to send them a link from a competitor website where your book is free. So if you want your book to become paid, you need to change the price of your book on other competitors' website from free to paid. And you have to tell Amazon in your email that the book is no longer free on those websites, and you send them a link to that effect because they are going to ask for a link. Now, after they have confirmed that your book is no longer free on those competitors' websites, then Amazon will turn your book into a paid book. Now, after you have turned your book into a paid book, you should be able to now put more advertising fire under your book, because some other ad websites, some other advertising agency will be able to take in your book because it now has reviews, and their readers can be able to take chances on your book. So that is what I do to leverage on the reviews I get from my free books on Amazon. I believe you have enjoyed this lecture. Just like I said, refer to some of the videos, earlier video lectures I did, where about free books, turning into free books and turning it into getting in touch with Amazon. Thank you very much.